Formal hairstyles don't need to take a lot of time. Today on my friend Naima, I'm gonna work with her naturally curly hair to create a look that she could easily get married in. Using my fingers, I'm just going to push Naima's hair out of the way. I've chosen the right side to feature a beautiful bridal hair accessory. Once I have the hair in the direction that I need it, I'm going to refine by using a wide tooth tail comb. This isn't going to pull, but it's going to help control the hair. Once I have the hair in place, I'm going to use a big black stronghold clip to hold it while I refine by using a little bit of hairspray. Continue in this motion until you have the side the way you want it to look. I'm going to then use my stronghold Japanese bobby pins. I'm creating a row where I'm interlocking each pin onto the next. This holds the hair up and out of the way once the clips are gone. But like a third arm, those clips are holding the hair as I place my pins in place. For extra security, I'm going to add a second row of bobby pins, each pin interlocking. This creates really good grip. Now I'm going to smooth everything out and get all of the edges with my edge brush. Using a stronghold hairspray and both sides of my comb, I'm just going to continue to smooth out Naima's tight curls. Removing the black clips, I'm going to now cover where I've pinned underneath. Using a U-pin, I'm just going to loop some of the hair over top. This is in case Naima decides to go dancing. I just want to make sure that everything is covered. Now that everything looks nice, it's time to add my accessory. This is my pearl branch hair accessory. I like to use a row of those, and then for a little added extra sparkle, I'm going to use a cubic zirconia branch version as well. Together, I feel like it has a nice sparkle and a beautiful timeless look. To create even proportions, I'm just going to go through afterwards to make sure there's enough height in the crown. I find sometimes by having the side pulled away, if you don't do this, it may not look fully refined and finished. Hairstyles don't need to take long to look glamorous, as you can clearly see here.